private banks are expected to do quite well, and banking as a whole is expected to do quite well in this particular quarter, and that will percolate on ICICI Bank as well. A 38 to 39% expansion in the net interest income versus last year, largely of course on the back of those rate hikes that have come through, and deposits or the deposit rates haven't really gone up as much, and that will really help or aid NII as well as NIM expansion. What will also aid NIIs is the loan growth, which has been quite robust within the system as a whole. So 38% growth, 17,500 crore odd is where that's expected to come at. We're expecting operating profit to expand by 36% on a year-on-year basis. That's expected to come around that 14,000 crore mark. And we're also expecting provisions to come in lower, especially on a sequential basis. Provisions are expected to come down by around 11%. Off a low base year-on-year may not be the best number to look at, but sequentially down around 11%, and that will be a positive. But do keep a lookout for credit costs. That particular number will be looked out for, as well as the commentary with regard to where credit costs will move going forward as well. Let's look at profit after tax, expected to expand a solid 28 odd percent on a year-on-year basis. PAT expected to come in at 9,000 crores. So a solid performance expected from ICICI. Where we're seeing deposits as well as growth, deposits are expected to expand by 10%. That's largely in line with where the industry is moving, and loan growth is expected to expand by 19% on a year-on-year basis. Of course, I did speak about how credit costs will be part of the management commentary. The other piece will also be deposit growth, where the management sees that coming from in FY24. They have a bit of catching up to do with regard to deposits, and that will also be part of the commentary. The other piece, of course, is cost of funds, and as deposits grow, where do cost of funds move and how does that impact NIMs? That's the other piece which is expected to come out. NIMs will continue to expand, but just by a wee bit, as I did mention. That's largely the expectation from ICICI.